it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the items that I got from Hush. If you don't already know, Hush is kind of like Wish. It's an app for buying makeup, and they are known for their dupes for high-end palettes. So they have dupes for all the Anastasia palettes, some of the Naked palettes, Huda Beauty, and things like that. But they also do carry other well-known brands such as NARS and Sigma, and yeah. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I got and what I think. So I already opened it and took a look at it, but I haven't tried anything on yet. So let's take a look. So I ordered 6 items. Well, I received 6 items, and I paid $35, free shipping, and I received 2 free gifts. So when I was first shopping, they said, oh, welcome to Hush. Pick out a free gift. So I picked out a face mask, because you can never have enough face masks. I love sheet masks. I use them all the time. I'm going to add it to my collection. The other free thing that I got was at the end of checkout. At the end of checkout, they said that if you spend $35, you get to spin the free gifts wheel. And I landed on this lipstick. It's from Clean Color Madly Matte Lipstick. Some of the other things that you could have gotten for free was a real beauty blender, like a $20 beauty blender. They had some lashes, they had some more face masks, things like that. But whatever. I mean, it was free. I don't mind. It's a lipstick. I'll show you what it looks like. When you open it up, it looks like this. And it swatches pretty nicely. Pretty nice and smooth. I don't want to try this on because I have another lipstick that I got. Okay. So this item here is Luster Matte Liquid Lipstick from the brand that I never heard of. It's from a brand called Italia Deluxe. It was $4. So this liquid lip is $4. It's in the color Nude But Nice. So let's give it a go. Smells a little funky, but not bad. Smells good. Smells fruity. Let's give it a go. I like the color. Ooh. I'm actually really enjoying this. For $4, I mean, not too shabby, Hush. Not too shabby. I'm happy with this. Very nice. Alright, next. Okay, I also bought something from The Ordinary. So, I always wanted to try something from The Ordinary. Ordinary is a skincare brand that makes serums and beauty oils and things like that. So, I got I can't say it. Hyaluronic acid. I got a bottle of hyaluronic acid. It was $7. It's to be used before your moisturizer. It's really nice. I've used this already before putting on my moisturizer, and my skin just felt so good once I had makeup on, and even once I took my makeup off, my skin still felt great. So I really like this. I'm still learning about hyaluronic acid. I know that our body makes it, and sometimes it just needs a little bit more to help hydrate and give the skin vitamins and repair, all those kinds of things. So yeah, No Ordinary. Okay, next. We are going to get into the palettes. The palettes I'm so excited for. I haven't gotten to play with them yet, but I did look at them. So let's do this one first. So both palettes are from the brand called Bad Habit, and they are both cruelty-free. And yeah. So let's open it up. Comes in really nice packaging. Looks like this. And when you open it, wow, it is stunning. I cannot believe how gorgeous these colors are in here. So if I'm right, this is a dupe for the Prism palette from Anastasia. This palette was $12. $12. Are you kidding me? It's stunning. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch Ethereal and Ecstasy. So let's give those two a swatch. They're both shimmery. Ooh, they feel soft. A good amount of kick up came up. But let's give them a swatchy. So that's what they look like. Oh my god! That's amazing. Wow. Wow. Wow, I cannot wait to play with that dark green, the ecstasy color. That is stunning. Alright. I'm going to swatch Energy. That's the light neon yellow. Because, let's see. Oh, they're so smooth. Let's give it a swatchy. Wow. A little patchy, but I mean, for a color like that, wow. Very, very nice. I am super excited. I cannot wait to play with these. I'm going to do another two, actually. Let's do Manifest and Destiny. Those are these two shimmeries right there. Let's give them a little swatchy swatch. Oh my goodness. And let's see. Little patchy, but wow. Look at that gold. That is stunning. Wow, I love it. This is great. I mean, for $12 and you get all these shades, really great. Really, really nice packaging, good quality and everything. Very nice. Moving on to the next one, which I saved the best for last because I was super excited for this one. This is the Athena palette from Bad Habit. And this is supposed to be like the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. I have been dying to get the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, but I can't get myself to spend $65 on an eyeshadow palette. I just can't do it. It's too much money. I only own 2 high-end palettes, and that's because I got them as a present. I can't get myself to spend that much money when there's things like this out there for $12. All right, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Let's open it up. Oh, check it out. Wow. Oh, I love these. I think I'm going to try some of these on my eyes, actually. Ooh, I have these swatches all over me. I got to take them off. Let me just make sure I'm filming still. Okay, sweet. Okay. All right, so I'm really excited about some of these in here. Like this one right here, Darling. Stunning. And then this one right here, Gleam. I'm going to swatch Darling. Let's give Darling a swatch. Oh, it's oh, no! It was very jelly-like. So when I swatched it with my finger, I must have pressed it down a little bit too hard. But I mean, let's give it a try. Ooh. It reminds me of just some pressed glitter. I'm not that impressed with that shade at all. Just reminds me of some pressed glitter. That's not hard to do. Just put glitter and some glitter glue and it looks like that. So I'm not crazy about that shade, but I want to try the Gleam shade. This one right here. Ooh. Wow, that's gorgeous. That's really nice. I really like that one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put some of these on my eyes and see what happens. I'm going to start with Velour as a transition shade. This one right here. Velour. Little kick it. And let's get to blending it out. Where's the pigment? Okay, I'm actually going to use this. Why am I not using the mirror that came with it? Come on, Alyssa. Alright, I see a little bit. I didn't kick it off that much after. Ooh. Wow. I really like that. It's a nice transition shade. Let's go in with Justice, a purple matte. Ooh, that one's nice, guys. I really like that one. I'm just keeping this one on the outer corner. I'm really not doing anything crazy right now. I just want to really honestly just try out these these eyeshadows, they don't seem patchy. Wow, really nice. And then I wanted to go in with that Gleam shade, but I have a feeling I should go in wet. So let's see what would happen if we go in wet. Give it a little spritz. Should I do? Yeah, I'm going to go into Gleam. So that's the one that I swatched before. Gleam. Alright, let's see how it comes out wet. Oh my god, yes. I love it. That is so nice. This would be a really good color to do a cut crease eye with. Wow, I really, really like it. You know what's unfortunate is that I never actually got to try the Huda Beauty palette, so I have nothing to compare it to. But for $12, you can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. Look at all the shades you get. I am very happy about these palettes, and I'm super excited to learn more about them and play with them more and try out some looks. But yeah, anyway. Oh, also, I just wanted to mention that I ordered these items, and they literally came in like 5 days. Less than that, I'm sorry. They came in 4 days, and the shipping was free. So I definitely think that Hush is a good deal if you're trying to find makeup for a cheap price. I really am so happy with how the palettes are and how all the makeup came out. This matte lip finally dried too. I love it. I'm so happy with this right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more videos similar to this one, and who knows what else I'm going to post in the future. But anyways, thank you so much for showing your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!